CloudBees Platform. Online Training. Introduction to CloudBees Platform. CloudBees offers a comprehensive platform for continuous integration (CI) and continuous delivery (CD), designed to help organizations automate their software development processes. Here's a broad overview. 1. CloudBees Overview. CloudBees provides solutions for CI/CD, DevOps, and software delivery management. The platform is built to support modern development practices and offers scalability, security, and automation capabilities. 2 key components. A. CloudBees CI. Formerly Jenkins Enterprise, CloudBees CI is an enterprise-grade version of Jenkins, a widely used open-source automation server. Features. It includes advanced security, scalability, and management features that are essential for large organizations. It also provides support for distributed builds and integration with various tools. B. CloudBees CD. Formerly ElectricFlow, CloudBees CD provides advanced capabilities for continuous delivery and release management. Features. It supports deployment automation, release orchestration, and environment management. It allows teams to model, manage, and automate deployment processes across multiple environments. C. CloudBees DevOps. Insight and Analytics. This component offers visibility into the software delivery pipeline and helps organizations improve their DevOps practices by providing metrics and analytics. Features. It includes dashboards and reports that provide insights into the performance and efficiency of the CI/CD processes. 3 key features. Scalability. CloudBees solutions are designed to handle the needs of large enterprises, supporting high-scale environments and complex workflows. Security provides enhanced security features including role-based access control, audit logs, and compliance reporting. Integration supports integration with a wide range of tools and platforms such as source control systems, issue trackers, and cloud providers. Automation offers extensive automation capabilities to streamline the software delivery process and reduce manual intervention. 4 benefits. Improved efficiency, automates repetitive tasks and processes, leading to faster and more reliable software delivery. Enhanced collaboration, facilitates collaboration between development and operations teams through streamlined workflows and shared insights. Better visibility provides detailed analytics and reporting to help teams understand and optimize their software delivery pipelines. 5 use cases. Large enterprises, suitable for organizations with complex and high-scale development and deployment needs. Digital transformation helps organizations transitioning to modern DevOps practices by providing the tools needed for automation and collaboration. Compliance and security, ideal for industries that require stringent compliance and security measures in their software development processes. 6. Getting started. To get started with CloudBees, organizations typically need to evaluate needs, determine which CloudBees products align with their CI/CD and DevOps requirements, implement, integrate CloudBees solutions into their existing development workflows and toolchains. Train, provide training for teams to effectively use CloudBees tools and features. CloudBees Core for Jenkins, Features and benefits. CloudBees Core is an enterprise distribution of Jenkins, offering a range of advanced features and benefits that enhance Jenkins' capabilities. Here's an overview of its key features and benefits. Key features: advanced security and compliance. Single sign-on. SSO integrates with enterprise SSO solutions to manage user access. Role-based access control. RBAC fine-grained control over user permissions and access. Audit logging. Comprehensive logging of user activities and changes for compliance and security auditing. Scalability and performance. Cloud-scale infrastructure supports large-scale deployments with dynamic scaling in cloud environments. High availability provides redundancy and failover capabilities to ensure continuous operation. Enhanced Jenkins management. Centralized management, unified management console for overseeing multiple Jenkins instances. Configuration as code facilitates managing Jenkins configuration using code, improving consistency and reproducibility. Pipeline and workflow enhancements. CloudBees Jenkins Enterprise CJE pipelines, advanced pipeline capabilities, including visualizations and integrations with other enterprise tools. Pipeline templates, predefined pipeline templates for faster setup and consistency across projects. Integrated DevOps tools. Integrations. Seamless integration with a wide range of DevOps tools and platforms, including version control systems, build tools, and deployment solutions. Advanced analytics provides insights into build performance, pipeline efficiency, and overall DevOps metrics. Security features. Penetration testing and vulnerability scanning. Regular assessments to identify and address potential security vulnerabilities. Data encryption encrypts data at rest and in transit to protect sensitive information. Support and maintenance. Enterprise support, access to CloudBees support team for assistance with troubleshooting, upgrades, and customizations. Regular updates. Continuous delivery of updates and enhancements to keep Jenkins up to date with the latest features and security patches. Benefits. Enhanced security and compliance. Improved security posture. With advanced security features and compliance tools, CloudBees Core helps organizations meet stringent security and regulatory requirements. Reduced risk, comprehensive auditing and access controls minimize the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Scalability and flexibility. Supports growth, designed to handle large-scale deployments and growing workloads, making it suitable for enterprise environments. Adaptable infrastructure. Flexible deployment options and dynamic scaling ensure that resources are optimized for performance. Operational efficiency. Simplified management, centralized management and automation capabilities streamline Jenkins administration and reduce overhead. Continuous integration with CloudBees CI. CloudBees CI is a powerful platform for continuous integration (CI) that extends Jenkins' capabilities. Here's a detailed overview of continuous integration with CloudBees CI. 1. Overview. CloudBees CI is an enterprise-grade solution that builds on Jenkins, providing enhanced features and support for CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines. It aims to streamline the CI/CD process, offering scalability, security, and governance. Two key features. Pipeline management. Cloudbees CI provides advanced pipeline management tools that help in designing, building, and managing complex CI/CD pipelines. It supports both declarative and scripted pipelines. Scalability. It supports large-scale environments with distributed builds. You can scale your build agents dynamically based on the workload, which ensures that resources are used efficiently. Security. Enhanced security features include fine-grained access controls, audit logs, and integration with enterprise security tools. This ensures that only authorized users can access and modify the CI/CD processes. Monitoring and analytics. Cloudbees CI provides detailed analytics and monitoring tools that offer insights into pipeline performance, build times, and failure rates. This helps in identifying bottlenecks and optimizing processes. Integrations. It integrates seamlessly with a variety of tools and platforms, including version control systems, example Git, SVN, issue tracking systems, example Jira, and other CI/CD tools. Compliance and governance. Offers features for enforcing compliance and governance policies. This includes the ability to define and enforce policies around code quality, security, and deployment practices. 3. Setting up continuous integration. 1. Installation and configuration. Deploy Cloudbees CI. You can deploy Cloudbees CI on-premises or in the cloud. The installation process involves setting up the Cloudbees core instance, which can be done via various methods including containerized deployment. Configure master and agents. Set up the master node and configure build agents. The master coordinates the builds and manages the agents that execute them. 2. Pipeline creation. Define pipelines. Create pipelines using Jenkins file, a text file that contains the definition of the build pipeline. This includes stages like build, test, and deploy. Pipeline as code. Leverage pipeline as code to define your CI/CD processes in code repositories. This makes it easier to version control and manage your pipelines. 3. Integration with SCM. Connect SCM systems. Integrate Cloudbees CI with your source code management systems like Git, GitHub, or Bitbucket to automatically trigger builds on code changes. Webhook configuration. Configure webhooks in your SCM system to notify Cloudbees CI of code changes. 4. Build and test automation. Automate builds. Define and automate your build processes within the pipeline. This includes compiling code, running tests, and generating artifacts. Test automation. Integrate automated tests into your pipeline to ensure code quality and catch issues early. Advanced pipelines and automation in Cloudbees. Advanced pipelines and automation in Cloudbees focus on enhancing the CI/CD processes through sophisticated pipeline configurations and automation strategies. Here's a more detailed look. 1. Pipeline as code. Declarative pipelines. Use a declarative syntax to define complex pipelines in a straightforward and readable manner. This approach helps to manage and scale pipelines effectively. Scripted pipelines. For more complex or customized scenarios, you can use Groovy scripts. Scripted pipelines offer flexibility but require a deeper understanding of Groovy and Jenkins internals. To pipeline optimization. Parallel execution. Run multiple stages or jobs concurrently to reduce the total build time. Cloudbees Jenkins Enterprise supports advanced parallel execution strategies. Pipeline caching. Leverage caching to reuse previously built dependencies or artifacts, speeding up the build process and reducing redundant work. 3. Automated testing and quality gates. Automated test execution. Integrate automated testing frameworks like JUnit, Selenium within the pipeline. Cloudbees can capture test results and report failures or issues. Quality gates. Implement quality gates using tools like SonarQube to ensure that code meets predefined standards before it proceeds further in the pipeline. 4. Advanced deployment strategies. Blue-green deployments. Reduce downtime and risk by deploying new versions alongside the old ones. This approach allows for quick rollbacks if issues arise. Canary releases gradually roll out changes to a small subset of users before a full deployment. This helps in monitoring the impact of changes and catching issues early. 5. Pipeline monitoring and management. Pipeline visualization. Use Cloudbees visualization tools to get insights into pipeline performance, bottlenecks, and success rates. Alerts and notifications. Set up notifications and alerts to monitor pipeline status and respond to failures or issues proactively. 6. Integration with other tools. Artifact repositories. Integrate with artifact management tools like JFrog Artifactory or Nexus for managing build artifacts and dependencies. Issue tracking. Link pipelines with issue tracking systems like Jira to automatically update issues based on pipeline results and changes. 7. Security and compliance. Access control. Implement granular access control and permissions within pipelines to ensure only authorized personnel can trigger or modify pipelines. Compliance automation. Automate compliance checks and validations as part of the pipeline to ensure that deployments meet regulatory and organizational standards. 8. Scalability and performance. Distributed builds. Utilize distributed build agents to handle larger workloads and scale out the pipeline execution. Performance tuning. Optimize pipeline performance by configuring resources, tuning build agents, and analyzing pipeline metrics. 9. Custom plugins and extensions. Custom plugins. Develop and integrate custom Jenkins plugins to extend functionality and cater to specific needs. Plugin management. Manage and update plugins effectively to ensure compatibility and leverage new features. Managing environments with Cloudbees configuration as code. Managing environments with Cloudbees configuration as code, CAC, involves using configuration files to define and manage the infrastructure and settings for your CI/CD pipelines. This approach helps in maintaining consistency, automating setup, and scaling environments efficiently. Here's a detailed breakdown. 1. Overview of configuration as code, CAC. Configuration as code refers to the practice of defining and managing infrastructure and software settings through code, which is then stored in version control systems. For Cloudbees, This means managing Jenkins pipelines, agents, and configurations through code. 2 benefits of using CAC. Consistency ensures that all environments are configured identically, reducing discrepancies and configuration drift. Version control allows tracking of changes, rollbacks, and audits through version control systems like Git. Automation facilitates the automation of environment setup and management, improving efficiency and reducing manual errors. Scalability makes it easier to replicate and scale environments as needed using predefined configuration files. 3 key components in Cloudbees CAC. 1. Jenkins file, the primary file used to define Jenkins pipelines. It specifies the stages, steps, and agents needed for a build or deployment process. It is written in Groovy and can be versioned alongside your codebase. 2. Configuration as code, CAC, plugins. Cloudbees Configuration as Code plugin allows you to define Jenkins configurations, example, security settings, plugin configurations, using a YAML file. This plugin helps to automate and manage Jenkins configuration, ensuring consistency across different environments. 3. Environment configuration. Agent configuration. Define and manage Jenkins agents through configuration files. This includes setting up labels, executors, and node properties. Credential management. Use code to manage credentials and secrets securely, ensuring they are consistently applied across environments. 3. Apply configuration. Place the YAML file in a known location, example, a shared configuration repository. Configure Jenkins to use this file by specifying the path in the Jenkins configuration or using the plugin's UI. 4. Version control. Store both the Jenkins file and the configuration files in a version control system. Commit and push changes as you modify the pipeline or environment settings. 5. Automate environment setup. Use the defined configuration files to spin up new Jenkins environments or update existing ones. Leverage tools like Terraform or Ansible for infrastructure provisioning if needed. 5. Best practices. Keep configurations modular. Break down configurations into smaller, reusable components to simplify management. Use version control. Always version control your configuration files to track changes and enable rollbacks. Test changes. Test configuration changes in a staging environment before applying them to production. Document configurations. Maintain documentation for your configurations to facilitate understanding and troubleshooting. Security features and best practices in Cloudbees. Cloudbees provides a comprehensive suite for continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD. Here's a breakdown of its security features and best practices. Security features in Cloudbees. Role-based access control, RBAC. Granular permissions. Assign roles and permissions at various levels, including project, folder, and job levels. This ensures that users have access only to what they need. Custom roles. Create custom roles to meet specific security needs and compliance requirements. Single sign-on, SSO. Integration with identity providers. Supports SSO integration with popular identity providers, example LDAP, SAML, OAuth, simplifying user management and enhancing security. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Implement MFA to add an additional layer of security during user authentication. Secrets management. Secure storage. Store sensitive data such as API keys, passwords, and certificates securely using Cloudbees built-in secrets management tools or integrate with external vaults, example HashiCorp Vault. Access controls. Restrict access to secrets based on user roles and permissions. Audit logging. Detailed logs. Capture and retain detailed logs of user activities, job executions, and system changes. Logs are essential for tracking changes, diagnosing issues, and meeting compliance requirements. Log management integration. Integrate with external log management solutions for advanced analysis and long-term storage. Code analysis and security scanning. Static code analysis. Use plugins and integrations for static code analysis to identify and address vulnerabilities in code before deployment. Dynamic scanning. Integrate with dynamic application security testing, DAST, tools to identify runtime vulnerabilities. Network security. Firewall and VPN support. Use firewalls and VPNs to restrict access to the Cloudbees environment from unauthorized networks. IP whitelisting. Restrict access to the Cloudbees platform based on IP addresses. Data encryption. At rest and in transit, ensure data is encrypted both at rest and in transit using industry-standard encryption protocols, example TLS SSL for data in transit. Compliance and certifications. Regulatory compliance. Cloudbees adheres to various industry standards and regulatory requirements, such as GDPR and SOC 2. Third-party audits. Regular third-party audits and assessments to ensure compliance with security best practices. Best practices for securing Cloudbees. Implement least privilege principle. Ensure users and roles have the minimum level of access necessary to perform their tasks. Regularly review and update permissions. Integrating Cloudbees with DevOps toolchains. Integrating Cloudbees with DevOps toolchains can significantly streamline your development and deployment processes. Cloudbees offers a suite of products designed to enhance continuous integration, CI, and continuous delivery, CD, workflows. Here's a detailed approach to integrating Cloudbees with various DevOps toolchains. 1. Cloudbees CI/CD overview. Cloudbees CI, formerly Jenkins Enterprise by Cloudbees, is a robust CI/CD platform that builds on Jenkins, providing enterprise-level features like scalability, security, and support. Cloudbees CD, formerly Cloudbees Flow, focuses on automating and orchestrating deployments. 2. Integration with CI/CD tools. Jenkins pipelines. Use Jenkins pipelines to automate your build and deployment processes. You can leverage Cloudbees Jenkins Enterprise to manage complex pipeline setups with additional features like enhanced security and scalability. Bitbucket GitHub GitLab. Integrate your source code repositories from platforms like Bitbucket, GitHub, or GitLab with Cloudbees. This integration enables automated triggering of builds on code commits or pull requests. Artifact repositories. CloudBees integrates with popular artifact repositories like Artifactory and Nexus. This ensures that your build artifacts are stored and versioned properly. 3. Integration with issue and project management tools. Jira. Integrate CloudBees with Jira for seamless tracking of issues and project management. This integration can automate the creation of Jira issues from failed builds or deployment problems and update issue statuses based on pipeline results. Trello Asana. For teams using Trello or Asana, integrations can sync pipeline status with task management boards, ensuring that project tracking reflects the current state of development and deployment. 4. Integration with cloud providers. AWS, GCP, Azure. CloudBees can be integrated with major cloud providers to deploy applications to cloud environments. Use plugins and configurations to manage deployments to AWS, Google Cloud Platform, or Azure directly from your CloudBees pipelines. Kubernetes. Integrate CloudBees with Kubernetes for managing containerized applications. Use CloudBees CI/CD pipelines to build, test, and deploy containers to Kubernetes clusters. 5. Integration with monitoring and logging tools. Prometheus Grafana. Integrate with Prometheus and Grafana for monitoring and visualizing the performance of your CI/CD pipelines and deployments. Elk Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana integrate with Elk Stack for logging and analyzing build and deployment logs. This helps in troubleshooting and improving pipeline performance. 6. Security and compliance. SNYK. Integrate with SNYK to scan for vulnerabilities in your dependencies and container images as part of your CI/CD pipeline. SonarQube. Use SonarQube for static code analysis to enforce code quality standards before deployment. 7. Custom integrations. APIs and webhooks. Utilize CloudBees APIs and webhooks to create custom integrations with other tools or internal systems. This flexibility allows for tailored solutions that fit specific needs. 8. Best practices. Modular pipelines. Design modular pipelines to facilitate reuse and reduce complexity. CloudBees features support creating shared libraries and reusable pipeline components. Why choose ProExcellency for CloudBees platform online training? Choosing ProExcellency for CloudBees platform online training could be beneficial for several reasons. Expert instructors. ProExcellency likely employs experienced instructors with in-depth knowledge of CloudBees platform and real-world experience in implementing and managing the platform. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs might offer a well-structured curriculum that covers essential topics, from the basics to advanced features of CloudBees, ensuring a thorough understanding of the platform. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency may provide practical, hands-on labs and exercises, allowing you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios and gain practical experience. Certification preparation. If you are looking to get certified, their courses might include preparation for CloudBees certifications, helping you to be better prepared for certification exams. Flexible learning options. They could offer various learning formats, such as live online classes, recorded sessions, or self-paced learning, accommodating different learning styles and schedules. Support and resources. ProExcellency may provide additional resources like study materials, forums for discussion, and ongoing support to help you throughout your learning journey. Positive reviews. Look for reviews and testimonials from past students to gauge the effectiveness of their training and the overall satisfaction of their learners. Customized training. They might offer tailored training solutions to meet the specific needs of your organization or role, ensuring that the training is relevant and applicable. Thank you.